What should I do?
Okay, so first, do the splits in the air.
Oh God. It's gonna be terrible. Can I at least stretch for a minute?
Yes.
Oh, and I can do the splits too.
The new 98.7 Radio Ticket Takeover Tuesday Bucket Show. Hi.
Hi.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
That's free of charge, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
You're calling for Usher tickets, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
I'm looking for caller 10 starting right now.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. 313-298-9870. If you want to go see Usher, I suggest you call.
Are you done yet?
Oh wait. Here we go. Let me just put my hair up.
Woo!
Oh, we have to put our hair crazy. Do you have a hair tie?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Hi.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Okay. Go. Okay. Next, spin.
Spin.
Yes. Okay. Now. Roll on the floor like John did. Okay, and now, last but not
The
least,
turkey split.
Turkey.
Handstand.
handstand. Right now.
Wait.
Okay, that's it.
The splits.
Oh yeah, do the splits. Oh, and at the end, change your tail like a dog.
I'm so good.
Now chase your tail like a dog. Okay.
Shake it left.
Okay.
Okay.